Hey Richmond, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you today and put them into action. So we will go ahead and get started. The three things that we will be covering are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content, and I do have your Facebook page pulled up here, and Facebook is a very powerful tool, but the first place people are going to go when they're looking for services is going to be Google, and when they get there and get their search results, they are going to want to have a website to click on so they can find out more about your services. So just in the interest of us talking about content here, I'm just going to pull up one of these sites, and content would be considered anything that you can see here. That does include the words, but also the pictures and what the pictures are saved as can all be considered content. And Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words of content on a site's homepage. So my first suggestion would certainly be to get a website. Not only does it serve as a digital business card for you, but within that content on your site, you'll be able to add in keywords and key phrases that people will be searching for when they're looking for your services. All right. And next is going to be citations. And I did just pull up a quick search here. And the first thing you'll see is this section. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and really anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in their business details and services. So you all would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you would want to grab those listings for your business. But you also don't just want to stop there. So for instance, say that your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You would want to grab those 10, but then you want to double, triple, quadruple the amount that your business has. So you would want 20, 30, 40, 50. That's going to make it to where you're completely dominating your competitors in that space, but it also helps you to rank high on the maps here as well. So next up is backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section down here. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided that they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other property maintenance companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique and also a lot more powerful to Google because it is relevant to your industry. So I did pull up one of the tools that I use here, and I wasn't able to put your business into it since there is not a website at this time, but I did enter the website that we had just looked at for one of your competitors. And currently it's showing they have 23 referring domains, which is giving them 88 backlinks, getting them found for 146 keywords, and that's driving about 160 people to their site per month. And let's take a look at the keywords that they are using here. And we're looking for buyer intent keywords. That would be anything that someone is going to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. So here's a good one. Property management companies in Durban. That's a great key phrase because it lists the service or the industry, and it also lists the location that this company is trying to target. Let's see what else they have here. And I certainly will not bore you and have you go through all of these keywords here. Managing agents, Cape Town, that would be another good one. The service, and then the location. List of property management companies in Cape Town. So again, I won't bore you with all of this, but I do hope that at least gives you an idea of the kinds of things you would want to work into your content if and when you do decide to get a website. But that is pretty much all that I have for you today. I do hope that this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us and we would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for your time and you have a great weekend.